Hi, this is Kalpana and thank you so much for showing interest in my face yoga teacher training course. So I am a yoga and face yoga practitioner and a trainer. For the last 6 years, I have been running my yoga studio successfully and helping women transform naturally inside and outside. But let me tell you something honestly. When I started, I had zero knowledge, no background, no support, no mentor. So I started from a scratch. So in my face yoga teacher training course, I'm going to teach women who wants to start their career as a face yoga teacher, or if you have already yoga background, you want to upgrade your skill, how to start with zero or with no knowledge. Okay, let's talk about the teacher training course, what you are going to learn. Okay, so in my face yoga TTC course, we'll also learn skincare in details. So we are going to cover what is face yoga if you have no idea about it, how it's related with traditional yoga, facial anatomy. If you know about the muscles functioning, you can deliver better results in the classes. So these are the real issues which I have learned from my face yoga members. So I have divided into 4 categories. I am going to teach each and everything in details in the course. Very important face yoga tools. Everybody have the tools but they don't know how to use it. So I'm going to teach with gua sha face massager how you can use for the lifting, for drainage and to reduce the puffiness. We'll work on posture alignment, some breathing techniques so that you can relax the people, anti-aging points, acupressure push, Ayurvedic skincare and diet, which is very important to cure and heal the people. You will give them very good results if you have knowledge about the diet and skincare. My people love it, so I'm going to teach in my TTC. And then professional teaching, business setup, and assessment. So if you are looking for upgrade your skill, you are eligible for this course. Okay, about the dates and timing. So I'm going to start this course. This upcoming Monday, we will be having 2 batches. One Hindi batch, which is time at night 8 o'clock, and English batch time is 12 o'clock India time. If you have any doubt, you will get live WhatsApp support or you can talk to me. I will support you throughout the journey. Many students ask, is your certification internationally valid like Yoga Alliance? Let me clarify this simply. Our certification is issued under the Government of India, Ministry of Corporate Affairs, which makes it officially recognized in India. Now, understand this. Yoga originates from India, right? So when you learn from Indian teachers, you are learning from the source of yoga. International validity doesn't come from a name or organization. It comes from knowledge, skills, and confidence to teach anywhere. Today, our students are teaching already in many countries like UAE, Singapore, US, America. Also, Yoga Alliance is just a private US based organization or a government authority. It is a brand, not the origin of yoga. So, at Holistic Health Yoga, we focus on authentic knowledge and practical training with affordability. So yes, our certification is internationally valid because in the end your skill matter more than any level. We run other courses like pranic healing, yoga therapy level 1 and 2 with face yoga under this organization. If you want to upgrade your skill, this is your time. Join my teacher training course and contact on the given number. If you have any other query, you can please comment WhatsApp on the given number to the Mansi ma'am. She will share all the details. Thank you very much for watching this video. See you in the classes soon. Take care.